bought more than 12 vaults or nodes in Zap.tech. And later on, I'll be showing to you why I did it. And of course, what are the new updates on Zap.tech? I'll definitely gonna discuss it right here, right now. Again, do not forget to subscribe into our channel. Again, this is Crypto Addict in here. How you'll be able to buy a node. You can use this code for you to be able to buy again. So again, this is also not sponsored by anybody. This is just me documenting every single purchase that I'm doing in cryptocurrency. And that's me. So again, this is not sponsored and only my money. Okay. So if you guys are ready, let's just start right now. First of all, let's talk first on their Twitter. So they've sold more than 11,000 volts. And if you're gonna go down in here, so this is the halving mechanism that's being explained. So for example here, so this is the daily emissions that the Zap node holders will gonna get. So 11,000 nodes, 150,000 divided by 11. That's the amount of tokens that you're going to get every single day. And that's why I bought additional 11 because I already bought one earlier. Is because I want to maximize this first period of time, because in this period there's gonna be lesser emissions, right? So again, what I'm just doing, maximize the profit, get the ROI as much as possible, and also just try to like multiply it and like reinvest it into different projects. So to be honest with you guys, this is like the best, or I would say the most expensive purchase that I've been for quite some time. So in Sonoros, I only spent like, I think that was close to like $8,000, $9,000. But here I spent more than $16,000. So definitely this is the reason why I'm doing it. So that's number one. Number two is you can get an airdrops here. So this is like the airdrop platform that they have. I do think that you can also see it into their website, which is Zap.tech. So for me, this is one of the reasons why I did it. So earlier, my multiplier is like 1x only, but because I bought more volts, now it's 10 times, right? Now it's 10 times. And that's the reason why I bought more. And I just want to maximize everything. You maximize the amplifier, the pulls, the airdrops, everything. I just want to maximize everything in here. Another one, Mainnet is coming this week. So you can see that they are having a testnet, if I'm not mistaken. I do think they have a testnet in here. So Mainnet is coming this week basically. And for me, if Mainnet is coming, so that means that you can earn rewards already, right? You can earn rewards, and in return, you can dump it anytime if you are looking to get your money back first. Okay, so going back into the Zap.tech platform, there's 4 things that you can see. So you just click your dashboard. Oh, sorry, I cannot. I wasn't able to like show it to you guys. So your dashboard, there's labs coming soon. There's Launchpad coming soon. There's drops coming soon. This is the airdrops. And the vault is also in here. So labs is more of like incubated by Zap, if I'm not mistaken. Launch is more of like Launchpad that is partnered with Zap. So you can see all of your allocations in there. The airdrops and then your vault. So how much you're getting every single day, it will actually appear here. So now let's disconnect this wallet because I have my another wallet ready that have like another one of the node. So I'm showing to you because I want to be more transparent, guys. So for example, in here, let me just like refresh it a little bit. So I get like a regular pool of 6 of like 76, right? But the reason I bought more is because like I really want to maximize it. Just imagine that's 76, right? And probably tomorrow, like I'm gonna get maybe like 800 or like 1,000 of it. And I'm just very excited regarding this because the team behind this one is really like star-studded. First of all, they are the big band competition winner. So if you don't know anything about big band competition, it's more of like Binance hackathon or something, and then they won. Okay. Um, Another one is that there's also like an arc coming um into Zap. So I'm not really sure regarding this. Could be like a pre-sale, or this could be something like maybe like free allocations. I don't know. Number three, there's a Pudgy Penguins airdrop for the vault holders. So hopefully we win that one. And yeah, as you can see here, they sold more than 10,000 volts in one day. And that's something because on the previous projects that I've bought with, this is not being achieved easily because 10,000 volts is like, if you're going to multiply it, that's like 10,000. Just imagine it, okay? 10,000 times $1,000, that's $10 million. Who the heck is going to invest $10 million in here, right? And this is the reason why. This is the reason why. And right now, I think the price of the vault, if we are going to check it, is at 13,000. No, 1,310. And the maximum nodes that you can buy here is 19,000. That is the maximum. So, for example, this got sold out. You cannot buy vaults anymore, right? So they sold out more than like 34% of the node supply. And then the price goes up by like $15 to $20 every 200 sales. So definitely, I feel like this quantity is gonna get shrink for like maybe another 20 to 30% in like maybe 2 to 3 months because the price right now is 1,300. Not much people are looking to buy at this rate because it's already up by 30%. However, once the mainnet has been launched and everything that they are saying into their Twitter has been launched, I do think that it's gonna be much more in demand. And also, don't forget that Zap, guys, is a layer 2 in Blast. So definitely, it's like a different ecosystem. So when you bought up on Blast, you're gonna get everything inside Blast as well. So if they launch NFT, they launch an airdrop, they're gonna launch some allocations and stuff, you'll be able to get it. So I put all of the links into the description box below so that you can buy. Also, I think I made a video regarding how you can be able to like mint this one. So because you just go to your CEX, so Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, whatever it is. You draw to Metamask ETH address or maybe Wallet Connect, whatever you use, and then you go to Orbiter Finance. You convert your ETH to Blast, right? So it's gonna take this one that gonna take you like $10 maybe, and then after that you go to Truster Finance to convert your ETH into USDB because you need that one, and then you can just like spare like 0.01 ETH or like maybe like $5 to $10 because in Zap it's too inexpensive to like process a fee. It's almost kind of like BNB. So I mean on Blast Network. So definitely you should really look on it. And I'm excited, guys. I'm very excited, and I hope I help you guys. Again, this is not sponsored, but if you can click the link into the description box below, then also I'm gonna get like few bucks, I think. Yeah, because on referral I'm gonna get like 5%, and I can just like give it away to back to you guys later on. So please do support me because I really want to make a lot of quality contents right now. But like, of course, I want more people to also watch my videos. But like, definitely everything that you're seeing in here, all of this are my own money. I didn't get sponsored, I didn't get like paid regarding this one. This is all my money. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And again, do not forget to subscribe. Again, it's Crypto Addict here. If you have any comments, if you have any like questions, feel free to like put it down below the comment section so that I can help you. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys, and see you on the next video. Peace.